Artificial intelligence is no longer just coming, it's here, transforming how we work across the United Kingdom. This presentation explores how AI will reshape careers, which skills will matter most, and how you can prepare for the opportunities ahead. AI has quietly integrated into our daily work routines. 76% of UK workers already use AI tools without realizing it. Predictive email suggestions, meeting transcription, and automated scheduling have become standard. Microsoft 365 Copilot and similar tools are transforming document creation and analysis. Chat-based customer service increasingly powered by sophisticated AI. By the end of this decade, AI's impact will be universal and transformative. Economic boost and productivity. AI could add £630 billion to the UK economy by 2030, increasing productivity by up to 25% in knowledge-intensive sectors. Task automation and redirection. 30% of all current workplace tasks across industries will be automated, freeing workers for higher value, more strategic activities. Uninvented jobs and new roles. More than 85% of the jobs UK citizens will hold in 2030 haven't been invented yet, leading to exciting new career paths. Artificial intelligence is set to reshape various sectors in the UK, impacting jobs differently across industries. While some roles will see significant transformation, others will experience more augmentation than replacement. Financial services. This sector faces the most significant transformation, with a 75% potential for AI disruption. Roles involving data analysis, trading, and customer service will be heavily impacted by automation and advanced algorithms. Legal professions. The legal field is also poised for major change, with a 68% potential for AI disruption. AI will streamline tasks like document review, legal research, and contract analysis, allowing legal professionals to focus on complex advisory roles. Healthcare. Healthcare has a 57% potential for AI disruption. AI will enhance diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and administrative efficiency, supporting medical professionals rather than replacing them. Creative industries. With a 42% potential for AI disruption, creative industries will experience more augmentation than replacement. AI will serve as a powerful co-pilot for designers, artists, and writers, enhancing their creative output and efficiency. Administrative tasks are first in line for automation. Data entry, reporting, and scheduling will be almost entirely automated. Document processing time reduced by 85%. Email management and prioritization handled by AI assistants. Meeting notes, action items, and follow-ups automatically generated. The average UK worker could reclaim 9 hours per week from administrative tasks by 2025. AI adoption is spreading beyond London, creating new tech hubs with specialized focus areas. London. A hub for financial services AI and regulatory technology, leveraging AI to innovate in finance. Manchester and Birmingham. Leading the way in manufacturing automation and supply chain optimization through AI. Edinburgh and Glasgow. Emerging as key AI research centers, with a growing focus on public sector applications. Cambridge. A powerhouse for healthcare AI and biotech innovation, driving medical advancements. Vulnerable roles. Jobs with repetitive tasks, basic data processing, or rules-based decision-making are most susceptible to automation. Roles being transformed. Many middle-skill positions will be augmented by AI, not eliminated. Adapting to AI tools will be crucial for success. Emerging opportunities. Demand will surge for roles requiring creative thinking, complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and AI system management. The key question isn't whether AI will replace your job, but how much of your job will change and whether you're prepared to evolve with it. AI won't replace professionals. Professionals who use AI effectively will replace those who don't. The most successful workers will be those who master AI tools specific to their industry. Focus on higher-level thinking while AI handles routine tasks. Use AI to amplify their existing expertise, not replace it. Continuously learn and adapt to new AI capabilities. AI literacy. Develop a foundational understanding of AI's strengths and weaknesses, including prompt engineering and basic data interpretation. Technical collaboration. Master working hand in hand with AI systems, from evaluating and selecting the right tools to ensuring the quality of AI-generated outputs. Ethical decision-making. Cultivate the ability to identify AI biases, consider privacy implications, and ensure the responsible and ethical deployment of AI technologies. While coding knowledge is valuable, the ability to effectively collaborate with AI tools will be more important for most professionals than the ability to build them. Creativity. Novel idea generation that transcends patterns AI can recognize. Emotional intelligence. Understanding nuanced human needs and building genuine trust. Critical thinking. Evaluating AI outputs for accuracy, relevance, and ethical implications. Complex problem solving. Addressing multifaceted challenges with incomplete information. The skills AI struggles most with are precisely the ones that will command the highest premium in tomorrow's job market. From tool to partner. AI is evolving from passive software to active collaborator that anticipates needs and suggests approaches. Continuous learning. AI systems will adapt to your working style and preferences over time, becoming more valuable as they learn. Skill amplification. AI copilots will help address skill gaps by providing just-in-time knowledge and assistance when needed. New roles emerging by 2025. AI prompt engineer crafts precise instructions to generate optimal AI outputs. Algorithm bias auditor identifies and corrects unfair patterns in AI systems. Human AI collaboration manager optimizes workflows between human and AI teams. AI ethics compliance officer ensures responsible AI use within organizations. New roles emerging by 2030. Digital twin architect creates virtual replicas of physical systems for simulation. Neural interface designer develops intuitive brain-computer connections. AI creativity coach helps professionals maximize creative output using AI tools. Automation displacement counselor guides workers through career transitions. Ocado. Develop the world's most advanced automated warehouses with AI-powered robots that can pick and pack 50,000 items per hour, reducing errors by 99.9%. NatWest. Implemented Cora, an AI assistant handling 35% of customer inquiries, improving response times while allowing human staff to focus on complex issues. Babylon Health. Created AI-powered diagnostic tools that can identify diseases with 90% accuracy, expanding healthcare access while reducing NHS backlogs. These UK success stories demonstrate how AI adoption leads to competitive advantage through improved efficiency, customer service, and innovation. Regional AI growth centers. Manchester, 142% growth in AI jobs since 2019. Edinburgh, £150 million invested in AI startups in 2022. Bristol, home to 75+ robotics and AI companies. Leeds, digital health AI cluster creating 5,000 jobs. Enabling factors. Remote work normalizing distributed teams. Lower cost of living outside London. Regional university partnerships. Government leveling up technology investments. Assess your vulnerability. Evaluate how much of your current role could be automated. Focus on tasks requiring human judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Become an AI power user. Master AI tools relevant to your industry. Start with free options like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Google's Bard to understand capabilities and limitations. Develop a learning roadmap. Create a personalized skill development plan focused on both technical literacy and uniquely human capabilities. The most important step is simply to start engaging with AI tools now, even if you're not sure how they'll ultimately fit into your work. Upskilling. Best for those whose core profession will remain relevant but transform. Enhance existing expertise with AI tools. Develop complementary skills. Shift focus to high-value tasks. Build on transferable strengths. Reskilling. Best for those in highly vulnerable roles or seeking complete change. Train for emerging AI-adjacent roles. Pivot to high-growth sectors. Leverage existing soft skills. Consider government-backed training programs. The single most valuable skill for the AI era is learning agility, the ability to quickly adapt to new tools, processes, and knowledge domains. Developing learning agility. Cultivate curiosity about emerging technologies. Embrace this perpetual beginner mindset. Build learning networks across disciplines. Set aside dedicated time for experimentation. Focus on transferable concepts rather than specific tools. The average UK worker will need to refresh 40% of their skills every 4 years to remain competitive. From linear paths to portfolio careers. The traditional ladder of a single employer is evolving into diverse career portfolios with multiple income streams and increased movement between employment, freelancing, and entrepreneurship. Frequent career transitions. Expect more job changes and portfolio work, with individuals experiencing 5 to 7 major career shifts compared to 2 to 3 for previous generations. Rise of hybrid roles. Careers will increasingly involve combining disciplines and blending skills, leading to hybrid roles that leverage diverse expertise. AI-enabled entrepreneurship. AI tools will facilitate intensive upskilling bursts and unlock greater entrepreneurial opportunities, making formal credentials less important than demonstrated capabilities. The average UK worker will need to adapt to a fluid, multidirectional career journey where continuous learning and adaptability are paramount. AI's greatest potential isn't just economic efficiency, it's human flourishing. The promise of AI-augmented work. Liberation from mundane, repetitive tasks. More time for creative and strategic thinking. Deeper focus on relationship building. Greater autonomy and flexibility. Expanded access to entrepreneurial opportunities. The question isn't just how to survive AI disruption, but how to use it to create more meaningful work. Start experimenting with AI tools today. Begin with free tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or industry-specific AI platforms to understand what's possible and how they can enhance your work. Identify your most valuable human skills. Reflect on what unique qualities you bring that AI cannot easily replicate, such as emotional intelligence, creativity, ethical judgment, or specialized expertise. Develop your personal AI strategy. Create a tailored learning plan that strategically combines gaining technical literacy in AI with enhancing your uniquely human capabilities. Join the conversation. Actively connect with peers and experts in your field who are exploring AI applications, sharing experiences, and exchanging valuable insights. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today.